Why? Why you gotta be so serious all the time? Why out of all the years you want to cover me, you want to snow all this snow? Why? What we do to you? We ain't do nothing to you. Why you so cold? You can't even, we ain't do nothing to you. And then you got the nerve to go to Florida. No, Florida don't even want you. Why you being so disrespectful right now? Listen, I'm giving you 6 weeks. 6 weeks to clear this shit up. Clear it all up. We don't want you no more. We don't want Snowman. We don't want Frosty the Snowman. We don't want your cousin. We don't want nothing. We just wanted a sprinkle. We just prayed for a little sprinkle and you give us all these mountains. Sprinkle? This is what a sprinkle is. This right here. That's all we want. We missing work. We behind on our bills. This ain't right. I'm giving you 6 weeks. Clear this mess up, man. Stop being so serious all the time. Being so serious all the time.